Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use data validation in Google Sheets. So let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone. Then I have created a table on my Google Sheets, and we're going to use data validation for this column, this date column. So the first thing we're going to do is selecting the column that we want to put data validation, and I have selected the column, and after that we can click on this three dots button on the top right corner of our screen, and there will be several options for us, and we can choose data validation. Okay, and we can choose the criteria, guys. We can click on this criteria right here, and you can choose as you need. And for me, I'm just going to choose date is valid. Okay, and we can choose either on invalid data, we can choose either show warning or reject input. If you choose show warning, it means that you will get warning if your data is invalid. But if you choose reject input, so you cannot put another type of data on your column. So I'm just going to choose show warning, and after that we can click on save. Okay, and let's see the result. So I'm going to put date to this column. So just click on this button, this calendar button, then select the data. Alright, and for example, I'm going to type another data like this. Then as you can see that we got warning right here. So this is the warning because my data is invalid. Alright guys, and that's how we can use data validation in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.